Number 5. Sukhoi Su 27. It is a multi-role fighter aircraft. First flown in the 20th of May 1977. Su-27 has a top speed of 2,496 miles per hour. Number 4. Mig31 Foxhound. It is an interceptor aircraft. First flown in the 16th of September 1975. Mig31 has a top speed of 2,993 miles per hour. Number 3. F-15E Strike Eagle. It is a multi-role fighter aircraft. First flown in the 11th of December 1986. F-15E has a top speed of 3,017 miles per hour. Number 2. Mig25 Foxbat. It is an interceptor aircraft. First flown in the 6th of March, 1964. Mig25 Foxbat has a top speed of 3,494 miles per hour. Number 1. Boeing X37. It is an uncrewed spaceplane. First flown in the 7th of April, 2006. Boeing X37 has a top speed of 28,040 miles per hour.